Vast, powerful, and full of life, the ocean connects every corner of our planet. To celebrate its importance, we recognize World Oceans Day.
World Ocean Day is celebrated every year on June 8th. The idea was first proposed at the 1992 Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, where world leaders gathered to discuss environmental challenges and sustainable development. In 2008, the United Nations officially recognized World Oceans Day, turning it into a global event dedicated to understanding and protecting our oceans.
This year's theme is Reimagine, Beyond the World We Know, a New Relationship with Our Ocean. The theme encourages people to think differently about the ocean and the role it plays in our lives. As our understanding of marine ecosystems grow, so does our responsibility to rethink how we interact with and protect them.
The ocean is the Earth's single largest ecosystem. It covers about 71% of Earth's surface and contains roughly 97% of all Earth's water. From shallow coastal waters to trenches deeper than Mount Everest is tall, the ocean contains an incredible range of environments.
One of the ocean's most important roles is regulating Earth's climate. Ocean currents move heat around the globe, helping maintain temperatures that make many regions livable. These currents influence weather patterns, rainfall, and seasonal conditions across entire continents.
Many people are surprised to learn that the ocean produces a large portion of the oxygen we breathe. Tiny marine organisms called phytoplankton use sunlight to photosynthesize, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Despite being microscopic, they are among the most important organisms on the planet.
The ocean is also essential for people around the world. More than 3 billion people rely on seafood as a major source of protein. Coastal communities depend on healthy marine ecosystems not only for food, but also for jobs, transportation, and cultural traditions that have existed for generations.
The economic importance of the ocean is enormous. Around 90% of global trade is transported by sea. Shipping routes connect countries and economies across the world, while industries such as tourism, fishing, and recreation support millions of livelihoods.
Beyond its importance to people, the ocean is home to an extraordinary amount of biodiversity. Scientists have identified hundreds of thousands of marine species, but an estimated 90 to 91% are believed to remain undiscovered. From plankton to blue whales, marine ecosystems support an incredible range of organisms.
This variety of life is known as biodiversity. Biodiversity includes the different species in an ecosystem, the genetic differences within those species, and the relationships they share with one another. These connections help ecosystems remain stable and resilient when facing environmental challenges. One of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the ocean is the coral reef. Although coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support approximately 1/4 of all marine species at some point in their life cycle. Because of this, coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea.
Coral reefs provide benefits that extend far beyond the animals that live within them. These structures act as natural barriers that help absorb wave energy and help protect coastlines from storms, flooding, and erosion. Many coastal communities rely on reefs for this protection, especially in regions that experience hurricanes and tropical storms. In addition, coral reefs support local economies through tourism and fishing, making them important not only for biodiversity, but also for millions of people around the world.
The ocean contains some of the most fascinating habitats on Earth. Near hydrothermic vents at the bottom of the ocean, scientists have discovered organisms living in complete darkness and under immense pressure. These environments have expanded our understanding of life and have also shown that organisms can thrive in conditions once thought impossible to sustain life.
Despite covering most of our planet, more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, and of that 80%, scientists estimate that we've only directly observed 0.001% of the deep ocean floor. We explore more of the ocean every year, reminding us how much more there is to still learn about the world beneath the waves.
The theme of Reimagine is especially relevant because there's still so much we do not know about the ocean. Scientists continue to discover new species, map previously unexplored regions, and uncover ecosystems unlike anything found on land. Every new discovery helps us better understand the ocean's role in sustaining life and reminds us that exploration and learning are still essential to protecting it.
Despite its importance, the ocean faces a growing number of challenges. Pollution, overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change are harming marine ecosystems worldwide. Pollution has become so bad that scientists say nearly 100% of all organisms on Earth have been exposed to microplastics. These challenges ramping up have led to loss of marine life to be at an all-time high. with populations having dropped 50% since 1970.
While many of these challenges occur in oceans around the world, protecting biodiversity can begin at the local level. Communities, schools, and environmental organizations all have a role to play in supporting healthy ecosystems. Small actions taken close to home can contribute to broader environmental goals.
A well-known example of ocean conservation is the Papahanaumokuakea Marine National Monument in the Pacific Ocean. Covering hundreds of thousands of square miles, it is one of the largest protected marine areas in the world. By limiting activities that can damage ecosystems, it helps protect coral reefs, endangered species, and important habitats for future generations.
At BRSA, our mission is centered around protecting and promoting biodiversity. Through educational outreach, environmental initiatives, and community engagement, we work to help people understand the importance of conservation. We believe that meaningful environmental stewardship begins with knowledge, involvement, and action.
One of BRSA's primary projects is the creation and distribution of native sea kits. These kits contain native plants, including keystone species that support local ecosystems. Native plants have evolved alongside local wildlife for thousands of years, providing food, shelter, and resources that many species depend on to survive.
Native plants are especially important for pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. By supporting pollinators and restoring habitats, native plants strengthen biodiversity and help ecosystems remain healthy and resilient. This World's Oceans Day, we are reminded that the health of our oceans and the health of biodiversity are deeply connected. Whether protecting marine habitats, planting native species, reducing pollution, or educating others, every action contributes to a healthier future. We invite you to join BRSA in supporting conservation and helping create a more sustainable world. Happy World Oceans Day!